Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Yes, we are still continuing with naming or nomenclature of organic compounds. And here we are. This rule says that when writing the UPAC name of compounds with more than one type of branch, arrange them in alphabetical order, but ignoring di, tri, etc. What does this mean? So suppose this is our chain, okay? And on our chain, you have a methyl group here. And let us assume you have another one here, another branch here. And suppose you have another one here. Okay? Yes, that's the case we are having. So let us try to have all the bonds represented. This one is having one bond. Remember, carbon must exercise a covalence of 4, so it's missing 3. This one has 1, 2, so it's missing 2. This one's 1, 2, 3, is missing 1. This is 1, 2, 3, is missing 1. This is 1, 2, 3, is missing 1. This is missing 3 because it has 1. And you must also remember that what we have here is a methyl group. It has 1 carbon atom. And what we have here is an ethyl group. And what we have here is another methyl group. And remember the rules stated previously said that we must assign these branches the smallest possible numbers. You have to know that if you are going to do that, this one must be number 1, not the other one. Because if you start from this side, it will give them big numbers. So this is going to be number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. And if that's the case, then we start the naming. Remember, we have a methyl and we have ethyl. So what do we do? The rule says that that when writing the UPAC name of compounds with more than one type of branch, arrange them in alphabetical order. So we have ethyl here on number 3 because E comes before M in alphabetical order. So we put it first. And what are you going to say? We look at that 3 and we say 3 ethyl. Okay. Remember, when you're coming from a word to a number, we use a dash. So it's going to be 2, comma, because we are moving to another number, 4 dimethyl. Okay. So if you want to complete the whole compound, then you look at the number of carbon atoms on the longest chain. We must not forget that this is the longest chain we have, which we call the parent skeleton, and it has 6 carbon atoms. So what do we do here? We say hexane. And that is that. So we can look at another example for complete understanding of this. Suppose you have a carbon atom here, followed by another, then followed by another. Then you come here, and here, and here, and here, and here. We can also add another one here. We can have something like that. Yes, like that. Let's try to digest this compound. First of all, let us first identify the missing bonds. Remember, every carbon must exercise a covalence of 4. So this one has 1 bond, is missing 3. This one has 2, is missing 2. Okay, this one has 1, is missing 3. This one has 1, is missing 3. This one has 4 links, so it's not missing anything. The same applies to this. This one is missing 3. This one is missing 2. This one is missing 3, missing 2, missing 3. And there we are. And what are we trying to do here? The first step on this compound is to identify the longest chain. Okay? We can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? We can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 2 alternatives. You can take this, or you can come to this. So what we normally do, we cut it out. In examination, it's better you do that with a pencil. And after doing that, you have to know that whatever is not part of the chain, the longest chain, it is a branch. So you have these branches. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So what is our next step? To identify the side which gives our branches the smallest numbers. So here, this is what we see. We are having 1, 2, 3. So this point is very important. And we are having here also 1, 2, 3. Yes, this one here. But we have to know that here on our 3, we have 2 methyl groups, which are M and M. While from this side, you have M and E. And remember, we are out to make E come first. It comes first in alphabetical order. So under this circumstance, our number 1, which gives E the smallest number, because both of them have the same positions, but this one will give E the smallest number, is the correct one. So what do we say? Here we are going to say this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. We chose that direction because it is the one where it will have the smallest number. So, because both points are 3, but this 3 has E, so that makes it a priority. We are ought to make it the smallest. So under that circumstance, what is going to be our name? It is going to be 3-ethyl. Okay. Then we come to our methyls. There's 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 3, 4, 4, 4 trimethyl. And the longest chain has 6, so it is hexane. So there we are. That's what we have here. And with that, would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share. Yes, we believe we are the best. You won't regret. Bye-bye.